Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe Luxury. This four-door SUV has a two-cylinder engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, automatic climate control, front air conditioning, airbags, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, leather seats, power door, locks, stability control, traction control, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.